Your home awaits you here in Houston, Texas. Welcome to 10623 Tupper Lake Drive. Let me show you around. We are excited to present this ranch-style home situated in one of Houston's most charming subdivisions in Walnut Bend. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. As you walk through the entry, you are welcomed by travertine flooring throughout the formal living and dining spaces. You'll love entertaining guests in the updated kitchen with granite countertops, double ovens, and the breakfast nook is perfect for entertaining guests. The living room includes a cathedral ceiling and updated gas log fireplace. Off the living room is the sunroom with plenty of natural light, perfect for a craft room or sitting area. The opposite wing of the home features the primary bedroom and bathroom, which showcases marble countertops and a walk-in shower. There are 2 secondary bedrooms along with another room which could be used as another bedroom or study, as well as a secondary bathroom and half bath. A unique feature of this home is the backyard space with gorgeous gardens, a 2-car garage, plus a man cave or workspace. This area is a great place to relax and unwind, and it's perfect for pets. Walnut Bend is an ideal location with accessibility to major freeways and city center restaurants and shopping experiences only minutes away. If you're looking for the perfect place to call home, call us today so we can show you why 10623 Tupper Lake Drive is the perfect home for you.